How to save your Canva presentation as a PowerPoint. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open Canva in your device. After completing the presentation, if you go ahead and save your presentation, it will be saved as PDF and not as a PowerPoint. Let's see this further. I have completed my presentation, so now in order to save, I will tap on the share button and then on download. On the file type, tap on the drop down and you will nowhere see the option for save as PowerPoint. So go back and now tap on more. Scroll down and under save, you will see the option for Microsoft PowerPoint. Select the pages that you want to save as PowerPoint. I will select all pages here. If you want to save this download settings, then select the Save Download Settings checkbox and tap on the download button, and with this your PowerPoint is downloading. After downloading, you can check the downloads and you can see my PowerPoint is saved and is all ready to be presented. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.